Hello everyone, as you can see we're back with another Star Wars The Black Series unboxing. In our last Black Series figure we did unbox the Shore Trooper, super cool figure. We do still have the Imperial Hover Tank Driver and the Imperial Death Trooper as well. So what we're going to do is randomly pick which one we're going to do, and we're going to use one of our digital assistants. Alexa, pick a number between 1 and 2.
2.
All right, 2 wins again. So in this case, we're going to do the Imperial Death Trooper. So on the next video, we'll take a look at the Imperial Hover Tank Driver. And I'll leave a link for our Shore Trooper as well. So what we're going to do today is we're going to take a look at the outside of the container here. We'll go ahead and unbox the Death Trooper, and then from there we'll take a look at his articulation, take some pictures, come back, talk about some things that maybe we liked and or didn't like about the figure, or maybe something we just thought was super cool. And with that, let's go ahead and take a look at the outside of the box, or should I say card back. I don't know. I really wish that they boxed these rather than doing the card back. But anyways, we've got the Imperial Death Trooper here. We've got the stoic look of him there, and as you can see, we've got a blaster, and it looks like a rifle blaster. On the back here, we've got Imperial Death Trooper, the elite soldiers of Imperial Intelligence. Death Troopers are encased in specialized Stormtrooper armor with a dark, ominous gleam. All right, and of course this is from Rogue One. All right, so let's go ahead and unbox him. Typically what I do is I'll just go on around the outside here of the bubble here. I don't really keep the cardstocks as a remembrance of it, but yeah, so got one of these, of course, and can't tell you how many of those that we recycle and or throw away depending on what ends up happening. So we got a rifle, and then the sidearm there. All right, we're gonna have to fix those feet. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and get everything cleaned up, and I will be right back. All right, I got everything cleaned up. So what we'll do first is we'll take a look at the accessories, which is the sidearm here, and then the more of the rifle here. So first, take a look. Maybe we'll focus automatically there. It's just kind of okay. I really don't like it when Hasbro just cheapens out. If you remember from the Shore Trooper, they actually added some metallic accents there, so at least they did something. The rifle here, we do have a little bit of red. Hopefully we can get that in focus. But that's really the only attention to detail on this whole entire accessory here. So let's go ahead and take a look at the actual Death Trooper himself. So head all the way down, all the way up. No left or right, unfortunately. Shoulders, just be careful. This is nice and soft plastic, which is good, or rubber, so he can get his arms up. As you can see, he's able to get all the way up, so happy with that. No movement at the upper arm, however, we do have the movement here at the elbow, as we've come to expect. Got a left-right on this hand, and then we do have a left-right on this one as well, so that's interesting. And then we've got good movement here on the torso, which I'm always happy about. We've got the movement at the upper thigh, as we've come to expect as well, and looks like we have a double knee. There we go. Hopefully that'll focus better there. And then typical ankle movement there. Take a look at some of the detail here. I don't know if the camera's going to pick it up really well, but they did a good job at keeping the eyes and the air ducts here green, so I'm happy with that. We've got the belts here, or the buckles. These are silver, which is good. Got the detail there. The belt is maybe attached, can't tell. We've got the silver accent here. We've got the loop here for the blaster. Happy about that. I think they did a really good job down the leg as well. So there we go with the figure. All right, so if you have any questions, make sure to ask down below. If you're liking the video, give it a thumbs up. So now what we're gonna do is we'll take some pictures and then we'll be right back. All right, so that was a good look at our Imperial Death Trooper here. If you have any questions, make sure to ask down below. I mean, overall, I think it was really good figure. You know, I'd like that, you know, it did come with both blasters there. My only complaint with him, which is the same one that I really had with the Shore Trooper, was the fact that the helmet, I mean, you can't get that left and right head tilt, which is definitely a problem for me, especially if you're going to armor rebuild. That way you can have, you know, a bunch of them lined up and they look just slightly different because, you know, they've got a little head tilt or whatnot. Also, it emotes emotion, but I guess our troopers here aren't supposed to have emotion. So anyways, so yeah, I mean, I thought it was pretty good. The accessories, like I said, I thought were a little bit of a letdown just because they're just plain. I mean, they don't look great. You know, add a little bit of metallic accent to it, I think it would have gone a long way. But you know, overall, he's a good looking figure. What am I mean, really. But anyways, so that's that. If you have any questions, like I said, ask down below. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you do not already subscribe to the channel, I invite you to do so. We do lots of things on the channel, including Star Wars and Star Wars The Black Series, but we do other things as well that a professional geek might find interesting. Me, myself, being a professional geek, like to share things that are of interest to me. So, of course, we like Star Wars and Star Wars The Black Series, but we also like going to theme parks, home automation, electronics, computers, and that sort of thing as well. So if any of that interests you, I invite you to subscribe to the channel. And with that, have a great day.